this video, I'm going to be working with the same matrices that I've used in the previous videos. In the first video, we entered in some matrices into matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C. Okay, we've entered in our dimensions and we put in values for each of those matrices. So we've got matrix A, that's a 2 by 3 matrix. B is a 2 by 2. Matrix C is a 2 by 2. So what I want to do is I want to look at determinants and inverse matrices. So how do we calculate the determinant of a matrix using our calculator? What I'm going to do is go to second matrix, and in here I can name the matrix, I can edit the matrix, but we haven't looked at this right here in the middle, math. Determinant is number 1. If I click on determinant, enter, and then I want to find the determinant of matrix B. So I'm going to enter in matrix B. I'm just going to name it. Looks just like this. So I'm telling my calculator to calculate the determinant for matrix B. And if I press enter, it will tell me the determinant of matrix B is 11. Now, what if I want to find the inverse of a matrix? So let's look at matrix C. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is show you what matrix C looks like. So here's matrix C. If I want to find the inverse of this matrix, I'm going to name the matrix, which is matrix C, on my home screen. And then this little x to the -1, that will tell my calculator to calculate the inverse of matrix C, which is this right here, 0.75, 0.25, 1, and 0.5. Now, we know that if I multiply a matrix times the inverse of the matrix, I should get the identity matrix. So let's confirm that. So second matrix, I'm going to name matrix C, which you know to be this one up here, right? 4, -2, -8, 6. If I multiply that by the inverse of matrix C, which is shown like this, to the -1, right? That denotes that it's the inverse of matrix C. If I multiply those together, boom, I get the identity matrix. And so that's how you can work with determinants and inverse matrices on your TI-83 or 84 calculator.